In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by most recent on Facebook Marketplace. If you're hunting for fresh deals or time-sensitive listings, sorting by the newest post helps you spot items that just went up before they get scooped. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to expect once you switch it on, so your results show the latest listings first. Start by opening Facebook. Once you're in, use the search to look for the item you want to buy. Type in a clear, specific keyword or two, like the model or size you have in mind. The more precise your term, the cleaner your results will be. After you run the search, you'll land on a results page showing marketplace items that match. This is the page where you'll change the order to see the newest listings first. On the left side of the results, you'll see a sidebar with filters. This is where Facebook groups things like price, condition, distance, and, importantly for this video, the sort by control. Look for the sort by label in that sidebar. It may sit near the top or slightly below other filters depending on your screen size. Click it, and a small menu will open with options that control the order of the results. Choose newest first, or select recently listed if that's the wording you see. The exact label can vary slightly, but both options prioritize the most recent post at the top. After you choose it, give the page a moment to refresh. You should notice the order of items shift, with timestamps and listed X minutes ago results appearing above older posts. This is especially helpful for fast-moving categories like electronics, furniture, or free items, where fresh listings are claimed quickly. If you don't immediately see sort by, try scrolling the sidebar, or expand the filter section if it's collapsed. On smaller screens or narrow browser windows, the sidebar can compress. Widening your window can bring the control back into view. Keep in mind that sort choices usually apply to your current search. If you start a new search term later, double check that it's still set to newest first or recently listed so you stay on top of the latest posts. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook, search for your item, find sort by on the left, and pick the newest option to bring the freshest marketplace listings to the top. Happy browsing and good luck snagging the perfect find before anyone else.